Hello friends, thank you for taking the time to stop by. It's Decor Mommy, and I do have a haul for you. But you know how I like to do my videos is whatever I haul, I put it together for you to give you somewhat of an idea how we could display these things that we haul and find in different styles. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with these adorable greeneries I found. And you guys know these greeneries, who does not love greenery? Especially for the spring. There's a million things you guys could do with these, I know. And I just wanted to share that they had this one and this one. And what better than to have a mason jar right there ready to show you. Quick, easy, simple decor. I believe we all probably own some kind of mason jar. And I just wanted to show you how they would look in there. And they also had these baskets. I know that these baskets have been really popular, but this one, I don't know. I feel like it's more rounder. Could be wrong, but I feel that it's a little bit more rounder than the other ones. So how I would somewhat display would be like this. Put your little coffee pods in there. And then if you're into that farmhouse, you could add some of your little beads. How cute is that? Just grab a basket, add a little greenery, add your little charm to it. Just love it. And then I also found this other basket. These are the other little baskets. These are a little smaller than this one. This is more round. These are more oval. So I went ahead and added one of these little cake stands with like a bunny and a little cup and some carrots and this little top in case you guys want to display it as a cloche. Quick, simple little looks for Easter without spending a lot. And this greenery here with lights, I did also find that at Dollar Tree. This is how it looks, and then with the cloche put on top. So let's get back to the haul. I just added a little carrot. You can add some little carrots in this. It'd be cute. Love the greenery. All right, and this is one of the pictures that they had, the little canvases. Now this is a little smaller, but you can always put it in a frame. And then this is another beautiful little picture. Love it. It is kind of small, but I just love their canvases. This is another beautiful canvas. Look at that. That just love the colors. And then they had this one as well. And I thought this was real spring-like. Really cute. Love those. And I also picked up this little basket. Speaking of baskets, I picked up these two, this little teal color and one of the gray ones. Picked up these florals as well. And they had these. I always like these because you could put them on like pantry labels, kind of like a pantry label. And they have this one. I've never seen these before. And I went ahead and picked up this as well. And here is one more greenery. And I picked up a few of these balls because I want to try and maybe make some topiaries. So I'm kind of thinking of that as well. And I did also pick up this decor piece. I did pick up the black and white one, but that one's in my laundry room. And I picked up these woven rugs. I got 2 of them. I do maybe want to make some pillows with them. Maybe for my backyard. Not sure exactly where. And if you guys have been to the 99-cent store, I did pick up this also rug for $2.99. There's like 2 types. There's a longer one and a shorter one. Okay, friends. Thank you and have a blessed day.